Ready? Start. I submit that this international trade organization will be bound to be dominated by vested interests by those countries which are at the pinnacle of their industrial glory today, and their interests are in direct conflict with our interests as an underdeveloped country. Stop. They will naturally be interested in stabilizing the existing pattern of industrialization in the world, so that the markets which have been the markets for their products for so many centuries may be preserved for them in future. Stop. It has been stated by the majority of the Fiscal Commission that our being a party to this Havana Charter will necessarily imply surrender of our commercial and fiscal autonomy to the jurisdiction of an international tribunal, and we have to see whether such a surrender of our fiscal autonomy in such an underdeveloped stage of our industry will be in the best interests of the country. Stop. Sir, what is the positive gain that we are likely to have by entering into an agreement or by ratifying this Havana Charter? Stop. Is there any guarantee that the International Trade Organization will afford chances, facilities, and resources for the development of the underdeveloped countries? Stop. There is no such guarantee. There is no guarantee given by the International Trade Organization to arrange for the inflow of foreign capital within our four corners. There is no guarantee for making the technical personnel available to us. There is no guarantee for making available capital goods to us. Stop. If there is no such guarantee, I think that it will not be in the interests of the country to ratify the Havana Charter, and my submission is that it should be the normal duty and function of the Tariff Commission that all such questions must necessarily be referred to the Tariff Commission for its consideration, discussion, and recommendation, and it is only after going through the views of the Tariff Commission that the government should take a decision whether it is to act in a particular manner or not. Stop. Similar is the question of imperial preference. Stop. I ask a specific question of my honorable friend, the sponsor of the bill. Stop. Will it be incumbent hereafter for the government to enquire about the views of this commission on this important matter? Stop. Now, this imperial preference has been before this country for a number of years from 1932 up to the present time. Stop.